Hey everyone, Hussein here, and if you're watching this, you're probably as excited about the future of trading as I am. We're at a pivotal moment, guys. The year 2025 is shaping up to be a game changer in the world of finance, with major shifts happening across crypto, Forex, and stock markets. Think about it. Bitcoin is making a resurgence, AI trading tools are becoming more sophisticated, and governments around the world are finally starting to grapple with how to regulate this exciting new world. Whether you're already a seasoned trader or just starting out, these trends are going to impact you. Our agar app naya safar shuru karna chate hein trading main, toye video apke liyahai. We're going to break down the top 5 trading trends you absolutely need to know to succeed in 2025 and beyond. So buckle up, grab your notebooks, and let's dive right in. Let's kick things off with the most electrifying news in the market. Bitcoin and Ethereum are back with a vengeance. After months of sideways movement and uncertainty, both of these crypto giants have staged a remarkable comeback, sending shockwaves through the entire financial world. The energy in the market right now is absolutely electric, and you can feel the excitement building with every passing hour. We're seeing a surge in prices unlike anything we've witnessed in years, and this isn't just hype, guys. Bitcoin has smashed through key resistance levels, and Ethereum is following closely behind, setting new milestones and breaking records. The volume of trading is off the charts, and the momentum is showing no signs of slowing down. This is the kind of rally that gets everyone talking, from seasoned investors to newcomers who are just dipping their toes into the crypto waters. Institutional investors, the big players, are finally taking notice and pouring their resources into crypto. We're talking about hedge funds, asset managers, and even some of the world's largest banks making strategic moves into Bitcoin and Ethereum. This influx of institutional money is a game changer, adding a whole new level of credibility and stability to the market. It's no longer just retail investors driving the action. Now the heavyweights are in the ring, and they're here to stay. This renewed interest is fueled by a perfect storm of factors: increased mainstream adoption, growing awareness of blockchain technology's potential, and yes, even the fear of missing out is playing a role. More and more companies are accepting crypto as payment, governments are exploring digital currencies, and the general public is becoming more educated about what blockchain can actually do. Social media is buzzing, news outlets are covering crypto daily, and the sense of urgency is palpable. People don't want to be left behind as this new financial revolution unfolds. But here's the key takeaway. This isn't just about Bitcoin and Ethereum. The entire crypto market is experiencing a ripple effect, with altcoins posting impressive gains. Coins that were once considered underdogs are now making headlines, and new projects are attracting serious attention. We're seeing innovation at a pace that's hard to keep up with, and the opportunities for growth are multiplying across the board. If you've been watching from the sidelines, now is the time to pay attention. Now I know what you might be thinking. Hussein Bhai, didn't we miss the crypto boat? And my answer to you is, absolutely not. This is just the beginning of a new chapter in the crypto saga. Every cycle brings fresh opportunities, and the market is evolving faster than ever before. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a complete beginner, there are still plenty of ways to get involved and benefit from this incredible momentum. The key is to stay informed, keep learning, and never let fear hold you back from exploring new possibilities. Remember, every market correction presents a new opportunity. This is the time to reassess your crypto portfolio, but remember, strategy and risk management are your best friends. Don't just chase the hype, take a step back, evaluate your goals, and make decisions that align with your long-term vision. Diversification, research, and patience are crucial in this fast-moving space. The most successful investors are those who plan ahead and stay disciplined, even when the market gets wild. As the old Urdu saying goes, Soch samaj kar kadam uthao, manzil zarur milegi, which means take every step with thought and consideration, and you will surely reach your destination. The crypto journey is just getting started, and with the right mindset and preparation, you can be part of this exciting new era. Stay tuned, stay curious, and let's see where this rally takes us next. Now, let's talk about a trend that's not just making headlines, but is set to completely revolutionize the way we trade: artificial intelligence. The world of finance is changing at lightning speed, and AI is at the very heart of this transformation. From Wall Street to your living room, AI-powered trading is reshaping how people invest, manage risk, and even think about money. We're not talking about some distant futuristic fantasy here. AI trading tools are already here, and they're getting smarter, faster, and more accessible by the day. These systems can process massive amounts of data in seconds, something that would take a human days or even weeks. They can spot trends, react to market shifts, and make decisions in real time, all without breaking a sweat. Platforms like ChatGPT, QuantConnect, and TradeGPT are leading the charge. They're using complex algorithms and machine learning models to analyze market data, identify patterns, and execute trades with incredible speed and accuracy. These platforms can crunch numbers, backtest strategies, and even learn from past mistakes, constantly improving their performance. Imagine this: while you're sleeping soundly, your AI trading assistant is wide awake, tirelessly scanning the markets, identifying profitable opportunities, and making trades on your behalf. It never gets tired, never needs a coffee break, and works 24/7, even when global markets are open at odd hours. It's like having a team of expert traders working for you around the clock. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's quickly becoming the reality for many traders around the world. People are waking up to find their portfolios have grown overnight, thanks to the relentless work of AI. The playing field is being leveled, giving everyday investors access to tools that were once reserved for big institutions. And the best part? You don't need to be a coding whiz or a financial genius to leverage the power of AI. Many of these platforms are designed to be intuitive and easy to use, so you can get started with just a few clicks. No more feeling overwhelmed by complicated charts or jargon. Many platforms are built with beginners in mind, offering user-friendly interfaces, step-by-step guides, and pre-built trading strategies. You can customize your approach or simply let the AI handle everything, depending on your comfort level. This opens up the world of trading to anyone, regardless of their background or experience. This is a true game changer, especially for those just starting their trading journey. With AI, learning and growing as a trader has never been more accessible. You can experiment, learn from the community, and build your confidence as you go. As we say in Urdu, "Now sikia na bud suje to kam kar," meaning learning never goes to waste. When wisdom dawns, put it to work. In this new era of AI trading, the tools are here, the knowledge is at your fingertips, and the opportunity is yours to seize. Now let's shift our focus to the Forex market, which is experiencing explosive growth, particularly in South Asia. We're seeing a surge in the number of people opening Forex trading accounts, and there are a few key reasons for this exciting trend. Firstly, Forex trading is incredibly accessible. You don't need a huge amount of capital to get started, unlike traditional stock markets. Secondly, the Forex market is open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, allowing traders to participate at any time, regardless of their location or schedule. And finally, the potential for profits is enormous, attracting both seasoned traders and newcomers alike. But this isn't just about making a quick buck. People are starting to recognize trading as a legitimate skill, a craft that requires dedication, education, and continuous learning. As we say in Urdu, "Hunar hath ka sone ki chidi hai," meaning, a skill in hand is like a golden sparrow. It's about empowering yourself with the knowledge and tools to navigate the financial markets and achieve your financial goals. Now let's talk about the good old stock market, which might seem like familiar territory, but trust me, things are changing rapidly. We're witnessing a democratization of stock trading, with more and more people gaining access to sophisticated tools and information that were once reserved for Wall Street elites. AI-powered platforms are providing retail investors with real-time market insights, personalized investment recommendations, and even automated portfolio management. This means you no longer need to rely solely on expensive financial advisors or spend countless hours deciphering complex financial statements. Moreover, new and innovative investment options are emerging, from fractional shares to thematic ETFs, making it easier than ever to diversify your portfolio and invest in companies and sectors that align with your values and financial goals. Remember, building long-term wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. As the Urdu proverb goes, "Boon boon se gata barta hai," meaning drop by drop, the pot is filled. Now let's talk about the most important trend of all, one that has the power to transform your financial future: the rise of financial literacy. This is your secret weapon, the tool that can set you apart in a world where money decisions are more complex than ever before. In today's rapidly evolving financial landscape, knowledge truly is power. Every day, New technologies, investment opportunities, and financial products emerge, making it more important than ever to stay informed and adaptable. The more you understand about trading, investing, and managing your money, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the markets and achieve your financial goals. Financial literacy isn't just about memorizing terms. It's about building the confidence to make smart decisions, avoid costly mistakes, and seize opportunities as they arise. The good news is that there's never been a better time to start learning. Unlike previous generations, you don't need to enroll in expensive courses or have a finance degree to get started. We're in the midst of a financial education revolution, with countless resources available at your fingertips. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to sharpen your skills, there's something out there for everyone. From online courses and interactive webinars to podcasts, blogs, and YouTube channels like mine, you have access to a wealth of information, often for free, or at a fraction of the cost of traditional financial education. You can learn at your own pace, revisit topics as needed, and connect with a global community of learners. You can even join online communities and discussion forums where people share their experiences, ask questions, and support each other on their financial journeys. This sense of community can be incredibly motivating and help you stay accountable. But here's the catch: information alone is not enough. You can watch hundreds of videos or read dozens of books, but unless you put that knowledge into practice, it won't make a real difference. You need to take action. Start small if you have to, but start somewhere. The journey to financial mastery begins with a single step. Set aside dedicated time each day or week to learn about trading and investing. Make it a habit, just like exercising or eating healthy. Consistency is key. Experiment with different strategies, test your knowledge on demo accounts, and don't be afraid to make mistakes, because that's how you learn and grow. Every mistake is a lesson, and every lesson brings you closer to your goals. Remember, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The seeds of knowledge you plant today will grow into financial security and independence tomorrow. The second best time is now. Don't let fear or uncertainty hold you back from taking control of your financial future. As we say in Urdu, Seekhna aur kamane minder kis baat ki, meaning, what are you waiting for to start learning and earning? Your journey starts today, and every step you take brings you closer to the life you dream of. So, embrace financial literacy as your secret weapon and unlock your true potential. We've covered a lot of ground today, exploring the most exciting developments in the world of trading, from the resurgence of Bitcoin and its growing influence on global markets, to the rise of AI trading, which is revolutionizing how decisions are made, and the importance of financial literacy for everyone, no matter your background. The key takeaway is this: the world of trading is changing at an unprecedented pace, faster than ever before. And those who adapt and embrace these trends will be the ones who truly thrive in this new era. If you found this video helpful, do 3 things. Like, comment below what you want to learn next or share your thoughts, and subscribe to the channel for more powerful content on online earning and trading. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video, and until then, keep learning and growing.